that time.
Oh, sorry.
Jesus.
Sorry.
Rhoda.
Are you okay?
No. She stabbed me in the eye like a true Southeast Londoner.
Not on purpose.
Hello everybody, Rhoda is going to be styling my hair today. I don't know what she's going to do, but let's get into it. I'm probably not going to have that much commentary. I'll be painting my nails with this. Rhoda got it for me ages ago. But yeah, so enjoy the video. You can just tell what products you're using. This thing didn't even do it.
Hi guys, Rachel's sister here. I'm using the Innersense, but because I don't want her to have too much of a hard cast, I'm gonna put like that mousse. But this has it's a lot quite. I don't know.
It's Camille Rose. Hello.
It's okay, but it's more voluminous. So I'll see how I go. How I feel.
I haven't washed my hair in about, I think, a week and a bit, a week and a couple of days. So yeah, a week and a half, which is not great for me because if you've watched a certain video of mine, I mentioned how I wanted to wash my hair more. But hey, here we are.
I'm standing, my face can't be seen, can it?
No.
Oh, okay, good.
And even if it is, I'll just be zooming in on. Instead of people to expose the bad stylists that destroy people's hair. This nail polish, what are you doing, Hunty? Yeah, let me watch this.
Still killing us. And don't tell me it's not that bad. Trump is back in the White House. Police budgets are fatter than ever. Schools are under attack. Voting rights are being gutted.
You know what's so funny? I have a follow on TikTok, and they said, "Oh, do you remember I said they said, oh, you look like Rachel."
No.
So I'm like, yeah, that's my older sister. It's so funny that they probably put two and two together. The road that's been mentioned 10 times.
Hello, but your name is Loki Unique. I painted my nails at the park with my friends. We're supposed to be playing badminton.
Just need your silence. Do something about it.
If you want, you think the shuttlecock is gonna wash away the?
Do we need to know it?
No, it's a wash and roll.
Rhoda is using the Tangle Teezer purple brush.
Parents wept, and you don't seem to care. And I hope you will tell your brother, be a staunch. Speak to him, because you deny access, Victor. Victor, she can't speak to him. Are you going to arrange it? Are you going to arrange a visit now? I'd be happy to help you. Oh, wow. There's a lot of promise.
I might use the mousse only.
Anyone you
Because
like.
now with the Innersense, your hair needs to be dripping wet, and I don't think I should do that to you. But the hair will dry quickly because it's actually sunny outside. But
Yeah.
let's just do this. It will be quite voluminous though.
Hello ladies, hello fellas, thank you so much for watching this video. This is like a vlog style, so I thought I would just talk you through the different steps. So what Rhoda does is take a medium to small section of my hair. My hair is incredibly dry, or fairly dry. It's old hair, it hasn't been washed. So she takes a section of the hair, then I think she like lightly detangles it like with her fingers. Then she will apply water to that section she has removed from the bigger section of hair. She now smooths the water across the length of the hair, the section she's taken. Rhoda will detangle the section after she's applied water. Then she'll proceed to the products. And she does also use the detangling brush after she's applied the products. I just needed to say that. Then she will apply the product, the one in the white bottle, I forgot what it's called now, but we saw it in the beginning, and begin to just shingle it, allowing the curls to clump and form together. Once she's done that, she will then go and get the Camille Rose Honey Spice Mousse, I think it's called. Okay, alarm, don't ruin my video, thank you. So that's what she gets, and then does the same thing. Then she moves on to the next section. And then once my hair is finished, Rhoda then asks me to like shake my hair, shake it like a Polaroid picture, like moving my hair back and forth as if I'm on a seaside ride. And I just think that's to help with drying and then to ensure the curls are in formation. So that's how my sister did this wash and go on my hair. One thing I've learned from my sister when it comes to wash and goes is that ideally you want to work on clean hair or hair that's extremely wet to get the best results. But I quite like the results of this. My sister does mention as well that if you're looking for a very voluminous wash and go, you want to maybe use the Camille Rose Mousse. Okay, I don't know why I'm talking like this. By the way, some of you that are subscribed to this lovely channel, thank you so much for doing so. You are loved, you are appreciated, and you will be prayed for in a good way. May God bless you. Amen. Some of you have been know that I've wanted to buy the Doux forever. Guess what I did some weeks ago? That's right, spent my money on the Doux. Shout out to my subscriber. Big shout out to my subscriber that mentioned in one of the comments that they have the Doux in TK Maxx. Unfortunately for me, I hadn't been able to see the Doux in TK Maxx around the time I saw that comment. I did see some Camille Rose products, not Camille Rose, no, Flora and Curl products. And yeah, I hadn't seen it. However, the other day I went into TK Maxx and what did I see? 3 bottles of the Doux texture foam. I've actually bought this foam, so we will be having another video on my Doux wash and go. Yeah, when, I don't know, I really don't know, but I will be having that in the future, so check it out. And thank you for that subscriber. So if you want to try some Doux products, head over to your local TK Maxx. In America, you guys call it TJ Maxx, but I'm sure you have different stock to us in the UK. And have a look. They might have some products. I highly encourage you to do so, because the Doux in the hair shop or in Boots, Amazon, I don't know if it's on Amazon, but in other shops other than TK Maxx, they're about £6, £7 more, between £5 and £7 more. So the texture mousse that I saw was $9.99, which to be honest is a steal because the product lasts a very long time. However, I think I bought it between, was it like $15.99? I can't remember. Whatever it was, 12 something or 15 or even 14, I'm not sure myself. Pax, the hair shop, they are having a sale on various products online, including the Doux, so you might want to check that out. But my Gen Z sister that's in this video, Rhoda, LOL, Rhoda did mention apparently the girls on the internet right now are boycotting buying black people non-black products. Girl, I'm almost 40, I do not know. I'm not quite 40, I'm like in my mid-30s, but that's basically 40 to me, but I digress. There's something happening on the internet where people are not buying from, what is it? I think we're just buying black-owned hair products. So we're buying directly from the retailers or just buying black-owned products. So yeah, funny enough, I do have a couple of like hair videos coming up that they are by black businesses. So one is with the Doux and the other one is Talia Wajid. You heard me right. I got me some Talia Wajid products that she's gonna be reviewing. I also do have the Cream of Nature video coming up. I know on my YouTube, is it not stories, posts, I did a survey. I did a poll, sorry, and I asked you, which products do you want me to review? Number 1 was actually Nyla's Natural. But this lady that you are hearing, she just needs to save a little bit more. So I haven't got that up yet. But maybe if I buy it like soonish, I can actually upload it, use it and upload it. Part of me is like, I just should buy it. Like, just go and buy it. Subscribe to my channel so I can make more money and do products reviews for you. Or make money, because I don't make money from YouTube AdSense, but some of you have bought into some of my other things, such as shopping on my website and engaged in various consultancy offers I provide relating to hair. Thank you so much for that. It actually warms my heart like massively because my channel isn't monetized. I am talking a lot. I can talk for England and Nigeria. But I digress massively. No, yeah, so we will be having some product reviews by black owned businesses. Yeah, but Nyla's, so when I did that poll, I asked you which products you wanted me to review. There was Nyla's Natural, then there was Cream of Nature's Argan Oil line, then there was Afrocentric, and then there was Curl Smith. So the one that won was Nyla's Natural, followed by Cream of Nature. Then it was Curl Smith. And as for Afrocentric, none of you were like, you were basically like, girl, we don't want you to review this product. That didn't get 1 vote. Like, yes, I know many people don't engage with my polls as much as before, but that's because I tend to run away from YouTube and come back, and that affects the algorithm and all this other stuff, but we move. But yeah, that was quite shocking. But the number 1 product you wanted me to review was Nyla's hair, the Naturals. And I just need to buy it and just review it, don't I? I know. I could actually buy it today. They're even having a sale. They're having a sale, so maybe I should buy it and cry about it later and be like, yeah, I bought it. And they have a discount code, £15 off when you spend £60, because it's in celebration of the buy day. They sent me this text message like some days ago. But we'll see. We will see. But I have got the Cream of Nature review. I've done that. It's not ready to go because I need to edit it. So yeah, there's a lot of things I have to edit. I'm trying to get be more frequent on the YouTube. I hope you appreciate this. But yeah, so I'm gonna go now, and I'm probably gonna cook something. I've got a day off work. It's nice to have, not even a day, like a couple of days off work. It's nice to just be able to be like, wow, I can do things, because your girl is Nigerian. She's always working. Hello. But no, thank you so much for watching this. I'm just gonna let the video play, and yeah, so this isn't like a tutorial. This is just you seeing how my sister, my darling Rhoda, was able to transform my hair with about 2 products, 2 different types of mousses. Yeah, Rhoda is great at a wash and go. If you really like the results of this, maybe if you pay her enough, she'll come and do it, because Rhoda, I just think Rhoda should be a stylist, like do that as a thing, because when it comes to styling natural hair, maybe not with cane rows and stuff like that, but things such as wash and goes, takedowns, just, yeah, she's really good at stuff like that, especially the wash and go. She said she needs to be faster. I wasn't complaining, but I don't know, maybe because Rhoda's doing me a favor, or I just enjoyed the process. Yeah. But I need to stop talking, because this voiceover is like 9 minutes, and I don't really want to edit it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with at least 1 friend. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Ray. Hi, Rhoda. You want to say hello to the camera? No, she's just gonna be here. Bye, guys. Thank you. Hiya, I'm back. Sorry, I know. I just wanted to add that Rhoda does use the Doux, and I don't know if it's because another product run out, I'm not sure, but she does use the Doux, the textured foam. I actually have a bottle of this, like I said, but there's, as you can see, there's only a bit left that she has to do. A little bit left that she has to do. So she's using the Doux. So yeah, so I'm not sure what possessed my sister to do that. I think maybe she was running out of another product, or just wanted to try out the Doux on a certain section of my hair. But no, I'm gonna go now. I actually am gonna go, and please subscribe and let me know what you think about the results. See ya.
Can you shake your hair for me? Like how? Not like that. Let's just take the laptop off.
Like
be
properly.
free, yeah.
Like
head down, side to side.
Like this. Okay, like that.
That will do.
Oh. More?
More maybe, yeah. Good work in there. Then do a back and forward. Yeah.
Yeah?
Stop. Yeah.
Lean forward, lean backwards, to the left, to the right. Oh, hello. We gotta wash and go. What? Come on, black girl. We are what? Rhoda! She did a thing. I feel like this bit's looking like Millie Valena. You know what they used to have their hair like?
Hello.
Now what we doing then?
Yeah, that's it.
I don't want it to be like that. I want a bit of like a part or something. Please, darling. What do you think? Because when it dries, you can't just, you know what I mean?
Do you prefer this? Actually, no.
I don't know what you like. In the middle, I don't know. Oh, these curls are popping.
Even on old hair.
Oh yeah, this hair is old. Old. too late. My sister's in my head. Black time.
Oh, sorry.
Jesus!
Sorry.
Brother!
Are you okay?
No. She stabbed me in the eye like a true Southeast Londoner.
Not on purpose.
Where are we? Not funny. How? Why did it mean to be mean?
No. I'll get a thing for now just to keep out of your face.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, but you see the volume because it's the one old hand.
What?